Today, we bring you the smartest robots in the world that might replace humans due to their insanely high intelligence. Let's get going. Number 7. Digit. Digit, a humanoid robot developed by Agility Robotics, has more dynamic movement than most other robots. Its agile limbs and sensor-filled torso will enable it to maneuver through challenging settings and complete complex jobs, such as package delivery, for example. Digit was created in 2019 as a platform for general-purpose labor, like moving parcels, unloading trailers, and making last-mile deliveries. When Digit detects a person or obstacle in its way, it can pause, move around it, squat, rotate its upper body to gaze, and turn its head to look in various directions. When bumped, the robot can balance itself using its arms, hands, and feet. Additionally, it has the ability to step up and down curbs and pick up and set down objects of various sizes and weights. Digit weighs 100 pounds and stands at a height of more than 5 feet. It can move side to side, forward, backward, and turn while it is still. Number 6. The Robotic Arm. Newcomer Clone Incorporated is one of the companies creating humanoid-looking robots. The company was successful in developing a robot arm with artificial muscles that are remarkably lifelike. The robotic arm can resemble a human hand in both appearance and operation. It has the ability to move, squeeze, and tilt its hand while tightening its tendons and loosening its hydraulic muscles. The muscle-stretching tendons enable the robot to lift even a 15-pound dumbbell. Stretchable sealed tubes and braided shells make up the muscles themselves. The tubes widen and expand when gas or fluid is fed to them. However, the architecture is lengthened similarly to how real muscles are contracted because the fibers of the braided shells are essentially not stretched. The amount of water or gas in the tubes controls how quickly the decrease happens. The robot is 6 feet tall, and both electricity and hydraulics are used to propel it around. What do you think of this robotic human-like arm? Tell us in the comments. Number 5. Cassie. It's difficult to imagine that a robot could be too sophisticated, but Amazon's Mars conference disproved this notion by showcasing Cassie, a bipedal human robot. The robot is portable, light, and capable of standing, steering, and even falling without braking. Additionally, it includes robust inbuilt computers and strong ankles for integrated perception. The robotic armless bipedal robot is driven by artificial intelligence that learns information from humans and other sources and has a distinctive ostrich-like shape. This enables it to keep its balance, stay on the road, and ultimately become completely independent. Cassie is able to walk and ski using a simulation-based approach. It has the ability to walk upstairs, recover after being pushed, and bear unforeseen loads. It is ideal for search and rescue operations, as well as parcel delivery, because it can navigate various and challenging terrain. Cassie is robust and resilient, capable of navigating rough grounds, incredibly energy efficient, and can go for several hours on a single battery charge. The robot weighs 50 pounds and is 4 feet tall. Number 4. Groot. Engineers from Walt Disney Imagineering have developed a new foundation. Groot the robot can move around freely rather than be set in place like other Disney figures, which makes it different from other animatronics. Groot is really interactive. This 75-inch tall humanoid robot is almost entirely self-sufficient. It has an astonishing 50 degrees of freedom and a 45-minute running time. To enable the robot to conduct both quick and deliberate motions, the Kiwi Platform Robotic Project requires engineers to design unconventional, high-speed drives with the necessary torque density. In order to enable the interactive robot behavior, the inventor was also able to integrate onboard computing. The robot's creators hope to launch it walking the park and interacting with guests entirely on its own once they have finished building it. Number 3. HRP-5P. An advanced humanoid robot called HRP-5P is able to handle heavy materials like drywall sheets and power equipment. It is the newest model in the Japanese humanoids HRP series and was created as a platform for research and development. The robot's sophisticated intelligence enables it to perform independent building work and other activities. Heavy-duty human work in the construction sector is intended to be replaced by it. HRP-5P can be trained to use a screwdriver in place of people to complete semi-autonomous tasks like fastening screws. The 6-foot-tall, over 200-pound humanoid robot is a mechanical genius. It can control various objects, including things like drywall, thanks to a variety of sensors. Additionally, HRP-5P might aid in the construction of huge buildings like skyscrapers. During a recent demonstration of how to hang drywall, it proved its great talent at this skill. The robot acquired the required equipment and, while holding a furring edge for support, fastened the sheet to the wall. To recognize objects like drills, nail guns, and hammers, HRP-5P uses object recognition. This machine loves tools. Unlike previous robots, the HRP-5P can mimic human behavior and even communicate with them. Number 2. Kaleido. A humanoid robot named Kaleido combines several different technologies coming from Kawasaki, a company that has been making industrial robots for more than 50 years now. The robot has reached its 7th generation of evolution, while the 3rd and 4th generations concentrated on dependability and weight reduction. The 2nd generation closely resembled the current design, particularly in the joints. Kaleido acquired a built-in controller and battery in the 5th and 6th generations, enabling it to function on its own. A natural and ecological walking of Kaleido is now being developed by the company, along with any necessary commercialization. The new Kaleido is physically similar to an adult human, but it has a sturdy structure that prevents it from breaking even if it tips over. The robot is 6 feet tall and weighs 180 pounds. Kaleido is designed to be a rescue robot and has the strength necessary to save a person thanks to its ability to lift weights of up to 100 pounds. The robot can conduct manipulations even more precisely than a human can in the hospital industry, which is why it is considered one of the smartest and most useful robots alive. Number 1. Atlas. Atlas, a robot from Boston Dynamics research platform, continues to be the most advanced and leading humanoid robot in terms of agility, maneuverability, mobility, and most importantly, intelligence. The latest version of the robot received hands this year that can communicate with both humans and objects. Atlas is one of the world's most portable hydraulic systems. It is 5 feet tall and weighs 190 pounds. The robot uses cameras at all 28 joints in its arms, legs, and head to control its movement in real time. Atlas can move things in its environment and traverse uneven terrain thanks to stereo vision, range sensing, and other sensors. He maintains his equilibrium with grace, so if you push him, he will respond like a person and move aside. Atlas locates impediments, chooses footholds, and coordinates body mass transfer whilst moving, maintaining balance in the meanwhile. The robot performs all computations internally, and it is skilled at conserving energy by utilizing inertia. Although Atlas is capable of many stunts, its favorite moves include running, jumping, and backflipping. Which robot from this list do you think is the smartest one? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We recommend checking out the video on the best robots you can buy on Amazon next.